Understanding night, night, a friendly phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and friendly phrase in English, night, night. This phrase is often used in casual conversations, especially during the evening. Let's dive in to understand its meaning and usage. The phrase, night, night, is a repetitive form of the word night, which is an abbreviation of good night. This repetition is a linguistic device used to convey a sense of warmth and affection. It's often used when speaking to children or in a playful, affectionate manner among adults. The doubling of the word adds a soothing, lullaby-like quality to the phrase. Night, night, is typically used in informal settings. Here are some examples of how it can be used. When putting children to bed, night, night, sleep tight. In casual conversations among friends or family. When leaving a gathering, ending a phone call in the evening. One might say, all right, night, night everyone. In many English-speaking cultures, night, night, evokes a sense of nostalgia and comfort. It's often associated with childhood bedtime routines and parental affection. The phrase is also popular in books, songs, and media aimed at children, further cementing its endearing and gentle nature. Similar phrases include sleep tight, sweet dreams, or simply good night. Each carries a slightly different nuance, but all serve the purpose of wishing someone a peaceful and pleasant night. Night, night, however, stands out for its childlike simplicity and warmth. We hope this video helps you understand the charming phrase, night, night, and its place in everyday English conversations. It's a beautiful example of how language can convey warmth and affection. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these phrases like a native speaker. Goodbye, and night, night.